Want to know the top ways to make money in 2024? Welcome back to Facts Fusion. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to earn money in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, I've got you covered with some of the best ways to make money this year. So, let's get started. First up, we have online freelancing. With platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, you can offer your skills to a global audience. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or marketer, there's a demand for your expertise. Set up a profile, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects that match your skills. The best part? You can work from anywhere in the world. Next, let's talk about remote jobs. The pandemic has accelerated the shift to remote work, and many companies are now offering full-time remote positions. Websites like remote.co, We Work Remotely, and Flex Jobs list thousands of remote job opportunities in various fields. From customer service to software development, there's something for everyone. Plus, working remotely offers great flexibility and work-life balance. Chapters. Host. Another way to earn money in 2024 is by investing in cryptocurrencies. While it's a high-risk, high-reward game, it can be lucrative if you do your research. Platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken make it easy to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Remember to start small, diversify your investments, and stay updated with the latest market trends. Chapter. Host e-commerce and dropshipping are booming. You can start your own online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Find a niche product, set up your store, and use dropshipping suppliers to handle inventory and shipping. With effective marketing strategies, you can attract customers and generate significant income. Chat. Segment 5. Content creation. Host. Content creation is another fantastic way to earn money. Whether it's through YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or blogging, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Share your passion, create valuable content, and build an engaged audience. The key is consistency and authenticity. Closing scene. Host. And there you have it, some of the best ways to earn money in 2024. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.